Well guys, today is finally the day. It is nice and consistent sunny weather, so now we can go ahead and actually go for the first drive in the Del Sol since it's been in storage. This thing is super dirty. Oh my goodness, you guys probably can't see it, but oh, there it is. All along this car is absolutely filthy, so I'm probably gonna have to wash it and then get some gas. All right, but the real question is, will it start after so much months that went by? Anyway, Speed 3 is gonna be sitting out there for now, and now it's time for baby Stella to come outside for the first time in like 5-6 months maybe. Check it out, we're officially back inside the Del Sol. Feels absolutely amazing. We gotta stop and get some gas though, because she's running hella low right now. First fill up of the year. She really is looking super clean though. Woo. Success. This car gets so much attention. Like I didn't get to film it, but a couple guys just came up and they're like, yo, love the car, nice car, dude. Super cool. Oh, look at that 300ZX. Super cool to see like other people really love this car and stuff like that. At times, like, you don't really feel like, I don't know, it's all that. I don't feel like it's all of that anyway. Like, I don't have the suspension right now or the wheels. I guess this color like really is something special. Like, I'm telling you guys, seeing this color in person is like just totally different. Once I get the suspension and the wheels, once those two stuff are in, then I feel comfortable with putting this car in like shows and like bringing it to meets and stuff like that. But anyway, it's time to go ahead and do some driving and give you guys a little POV of just, you know, enjoying the car and all of that. So without further ado, let's go enjoy the car. Totally forgot just how long the gears are in this, or like how high this car revs compared to the Speed 3. It's like I have to get back used to driving this thing because it's just so weird how high this thing revs compared to the Speed 3. We still gotta go ahead and fix that speedometer. We should need a speed sensor for this car. That should be it. I'm not 200% sure, but that's all the signs that's leading up to. But we definitely have to change that soon. Like, this car is all bark and no bite. Like, look at this. Like, you're not going anywhere. Honestly, I'm kind of liking this exhaust that's on it. I'm kind of like digging it. Like, I don't know. I mean, I'm still gonna change the exhaust obviously, but I don't know. I feel like I can keep this exhaust for like a while because it's not like that typical Honda crazy rasp, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I love this car, dude. Like, honestly, I think it's about time I get myself a GoPro because this is definitely the time where I would definitely need one. Seriously, can't believe that this thing is even back outside. Like, it blows my mind. So much in store for this car. Trust me, we're gonna transform this Del Sol into something so clean, so nice. It's gonna be sick, but super happy with driving it. So before I go ahead and close off this video, I know this is kind of a short one, but I just wanted to drive the Del Sol, honestly. That's pretty much it. But since it is a shorter video, I'm gonna go ahead and answer some questions that you guys have for me to answer. So I guess this is kind of like a little short Q&A as well. All right, so someone asked, If you were to trade the Delsol for any car right now, what would it be? If I were to like sell this car, wow. If I was to sell this car right now and get something else, it's definitely gonna be rather the GR Corolla or the GR86/2022 BRZ. I think those two right now are like cars that I would really love to have if I had space, but I don't know, maybe sometime in the future. What wheel color do you want to put on the Delsol? Honestly, it's there's a lot of colors. It could be white, it could be silver, it could be polished, it could be gold. Like, as much as I would like to tell you guys are just gonna have to wait and see until the wheels come, but stay tuned for that. All right, so another person asked, how do you stay so consistent with everything? Honestly, it's all about finding that balance. Everybody has the same 24 hours, so I feel like, you know, you can do it, you just gotta push yourself to do it, and that's what I do. Honestly, I'm gonna cut it short because my camera is about to die, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Side note, what's your guys' like favorite place to eat? Like, if you guys are not eating at home and you guys go out, what's your like go-to place and what's like your go-to food there? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to try some different stuff, so definitely let me know in the comments below. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed, peace.